What's up YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, you know what I'm doing. Okay, this is not no sponsored video, so I won't be lying. I won't be like, oh, this good hair, yada yada yada, lying for money. No, this ain't sponsored. I ain't doing that. But okay, I basically bought a headband wig and wanted to try it out because you know I got this on because my edges are laying. I bought a headband wig. I was curious about it. I bought one and I got it from LUVME Hair. It came in this purple box. I'm about to take this ribbon off. Okay, yeah, so it came from LUVME Hair. This is the deep wave 22 inches. I'm about to open the box right now. Okay, so let's say enjoy your hair journey from now on, period. Okay. Okay, I got some goodies in the box. Okay, it came with headbands. I'll show y'all how I look at one that, but it came with headbands. The wig itself inside this little satchel of one out. But yeah, it came with headbands, of course the wig. It's other stuff in this box. Okay. It came with a goodie bag. Okay. And then it came with the wig cap, of course. Oh. Goodies. Okay. So it came with a edge brush or whatever. I literally was just thinking of getting a new one and this came in there, so this came in handy. It's purple. What else in here? Oh. And then the oh. Hold on. Oh. Okay, don't mind that everything fell on the floor. But it came with this pen. It say "Love Me." It's cute. The pen say "Love Me." It's cute. It came with tweezers or whatever. It came with bobby pins. And it came with a strap. Just in case you want to tighten it or whatever. And it came with one of these, one that I got on right now. But it says their hair company. I'm about to put all this stuff back in that little bag and then I'm gonna put the wig on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I wasn't expecting all of it. I was just expecting the wig and the headbands. But let's get into it. Okay. How you open this thing? Wow, inches. I just know these gonna be inches, but okay. Let's see, y'all. This hair is soft. What? Okay, let me show y'all. Oh, I'm excited. I never had a headband wig before, but okay. I'm gonna show y'all the inside and everything. So it has how many pins? It got 4 pins on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's just this. You snap it on like that. Boom. But okay, I'm about to put this on. But first, let me take this hook wrap off my head. I did my edges or whatever. But okay. I'm nervous. Never did this before. Okay. Hopefully it's not too small or none of it. Oh no, not over my edges. Not the edges. I'm looking in the mirror. If y'all see me looking that way, hold on. Okay, so this is it. Straight out the pack. This is how it looks on me. It's giving me Jerry curls. But this is it. I'm about to wet it or comb it out with my comb or whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna put the headband on too so y'all can see that. But let me show y'all the headband. Okay. Okay, so it came with this army fatigue one. It came with this flower pattern. Then it's a nude color. Then it's a cheetah color. Then it's a yellow color. I'm gonna try one of these now. I think I'm gonna do the cheetah one. For right now, it feels soft. For real, for real. It's like, wow. But okay, I'm about to wet it and comb it out. Let's look at the curls. I don't think I gripped it on all the way because it's sliding off. I like this poofy look, but okay. I'm looking in the mirror. Let me see. This side is wet. This side is not. Okay. Can y'all see the difference though? This side was natural, this side wet and combed out. But I'm gonna do this side too. But it's super, 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 super soft. Okay. But so far I like it. What? Stop playing with me, Fury. Okay, it's hair on my forehead, I know. But yeah, I like it. I'm about to throw on one of the headbands. The cheetah one. It's made weird. I think I got it. Okay. Stop playing. Okay. Well, that's as good as you're gonna get with my edges right now. The hair's super soft. It's full. It was shedding a little bit, but whatever. Yes, this is how I look in the back. I can't see. But okay, I'm about to try it on what some of the headbands I own personally so y'all can see. But give me a minute. But okay, y'all, overall the hair is okay. When you first take it out, it's all soft and everything. I mean, it's still soft right now, don't get me wrong, but it be shedding. It be shedding. It's still got little pieces of hair on my hand. But yeah, I don't regret my purchase though, because I know I'm gonna have lazy days in the summer. I know y'all is too. But yeah, it's still soft. It's a good length. Let me see, I'm short, so it's like, I'm short, I can't show y'all, but it's past my bra. This is the 22 inches. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you're thinking about getting this hair, or if you got it already and your experience went bad or good. Let me know. It don't matter, but let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Join the gang, period. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen. I'll wait so y'all can subscribe, period, and follow me. But yeah, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to comment down below. And we're out. Thanks for watching. Bye.